In this video, I'm going to reveal the 7 best side hustles that you could start today to make $200 per day. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn which one is right for you. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to be notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to austingodbolt.com/start for my free unemployee handbook. This handbook will teach you how to make money online step by step. Hello, my name is Austin Godbolt with austingodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income, and today I want to help you. All right, so as I mentioned, I put together a list of the best side hustles that you could start to make $200 per day. Now, in my opinion and from my experience, some of these side hustles will start off slow and grow exponentially. Some of these side hustles will actually help you start making $200 as early as today. So let's go ahead and get right into it. One of my favorite side hustles that you could simply start is actually with Etsy, and not just anything on Etsy. You are creating digital content to sell. For example, I'm over here on Etsy and I typed in SVG. You can look that people are selling SVGs, which are digital products, for anywhere as low as $1 up to $30 or $21. And they're relatively easy to make. If you have a background in graphic design, they're going to be easy. If you don't, you could hire somebody to do it over on Fiverr. But it doesn't just have to be SVGs. They can be planners. For example, you could put together a chore planner or planner stickers, planner printables, and you can make money. Right here, you're going to see a mix of both digital and physical ones. But if we type in printable planner or digital planner, you're going to see there are tons of people that are absolutely killing it with these planners. And you don't just have to make general basic planners. We can do a workout planner. So if we type in workout planner like this, workout planner printable, or chore chart, or a budget planner, budget calendar. You can also make money with templates. I don't talk about this often, but my store actually has templates. So we could do like a resume template. So if we just do template and enter, you can see there are email templates. There are all sorts of templates that you can create and sell. If we look here, we can just scroll through. We can do invoice templates. It just goes on and on and on. And you just create this once or hire someone to do it for you, and you can make money. You can also make money with Google Sheets. And the cool thing with Google Sheets is once they buy it, you just simply share the link with them and they make a copy. You don't even have to create this yourself, but you can see digital products over on Etsy, extremely profitable if you do the research and figure out what people want to know. It's as simple as just going through each letter of the alphabet, figuring out what they want to know, and you can make money. A second way is simply with starting a blog. Now, you can start a blog in literally anything. This is going to be one of those that scales to $200 per day. Most likely, you won't make $200 per day right off the bat. It'll be something that you scale to. Right now, we're taking a look at a website called moneypantry.com. Their traffic value is $286,000. Now, traffic value is different from actual value of the website because they could be making money in a few different ways. And with your blog or website, you can make money in a few different ways. You can make money with affiliate marketing, which we'll talk about in just a moment. You can make money with having ads. You can have guest blogs. You can sell your own digital or physical products. You can see that this will help you make money passively. You don't have to actually work to do this. You can actually outsource and hire people to write this for you. As you can see, there are ads that are showing up here. There's actually 3 ads on this page already, and they get paid or make money when someone clicks on these ads and potentially watches a video. So starting a blog is still really profitable and promising if you are consistent. You will need to upload blogs consistently over a long period of time to start seeing the level of success that you're looking for. Another opportunity is simply with YouTube. And within YouTube, believe it or not, there are tons of different ways, tons of different channels, tons of different opportunities to help you make money. You can come up here and you can type in anything. Let's type in like weed whacking, like this. Weed whacking is simply where you take a weed eater and you just trim hedges and bushes. But you can see that people are watching these. This video here has 3 million views. They only have 96,000 subscribers. 30 minutes of time-lapse weed whacking. Something to look at. So if we look at this, we're just going to scroll through and look at their channel. They're probably just doing time-lapse videos of someone doing yard work. They're literally making money online doing something they have to do anyway. They could be a business owner, they could be an individual. But if we look at this, they're doing super time lapse, blasting weeds off of papers, brush cutting, super time lapse. So they probably, if we clicked on one of these videos, they might not be saying anything, but they have almost 100,000 subscribers. They're getting 16,000 views from doing stuff that they probably would wind up doing anyway. Cordless electric pressure washer review. And that actually leads me to something interesting. They could make money with affiliate marketing, the YouTube partner program. So with the YouTube partner program, you have to have 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. Affiliate marketing, they could be an affiliate with Amazon and just put links in the description to the products that they're using. They could partner or do brand deals or sponsorships. They could have a Patreon and offer even more time-lapse footage that isn't available anywhere else. There are tons of opportunities to make money with the channel. And with a channel like this, $200 is probably just the baseline. They could make substantially more with a simple time-lapse channel. Let me show you this real quick. We're going to go over to a website called socialblade.com, and we can paste in their channel, and this is going to give you an idea of how much they make. This won't be the exact number, nothing returned, so that's interesting. This won't give us the exact number because only the YouTuber knows how much they're making, but I think that you'll see that this is a pretty good opportunity, and again, they're making money in something that they are already doing. Now, it says they're only making 2.6 thousand. I highly doubt that. I think they're probably making 3, 4, even 5 times more, and because it's getting tons of views, and it's kind of that oddly satisfying niche that people are interested in. So after that, we have building out WordPress websites. Now, I have made as much as $2,500 building one WordPress website. The amount of money that you're going to make will really depend on the market that you're in. So if you're in a big city like Chicago, Texas, Austin, Texas, Houston, Texas. If you're in LA, you can make substantially more. But if you're in a small city, you can make at least $300 building out these simple WordPress websites. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to work with different clients. For example, you could work with a plumber in your area, tell them that you're going to build out a 5-page WordPress website, and you're going to charge them $300. Get $150 upfront, come to this website called ThemeForest, and you're going to look for plumber. You're going to click on search. And when you do that, you are going to buy one of these WordPress themes. This theme is $69. Once you buy the theme, you are going to make changes to your client's specifications, and you'll get this done in maybe 3 or 4 hours. So within 3 hours, you can make $300, and just tell the person that you'll actually you can be kept on retainer, and you can make reoccurring income, and to tell them that you'll keep their website up to date for as little as $10 per month. But you can see here that they have taken care of all of the hard work for you. You just go and make changes to like the color, to the images, and you can make money that way. So we've got YouTube, we've got blogging, we have building out WordPress websites. Another favorite of mine is creating an online course. Now there's actually 2 parts to this, and this is interesting. So make sure you pay attention to this. You can either create a course or you can create quizzes and exams. Now, if we look at this, this person created, I believe, it's a 3-hour course on NFTs. Most likely, this course is sold for $9.99. He has 27,000 students for a simple 3-hour course. If we take $9.99 and we multiply it by 27,000, you're looking at $269,000 for a 3-hour course. He probably split the revenue in half, so you're looking at probably $135,000 for a 3-hour course. Another way that you can make money on Udemy with courses, if we type in exam. Now the cool thing with the practice exams is you don't actually have to show your face. You don't have to record anything. You can come down here. One that I took myself was for this one, Ultimate AWS Certified Solutions. I'm looking for the exam though. Let's see if we can find it. All right, so here we go. If we look at AWS Certified Solutions Architect Associate Practice Exam from A Cloud Guru, 126,000 students. Again, it probably went for $9.95 or 99 cents, 390 questions total. Now, a lot of these questions are repeated throughout these. You can find some of these questions through the AWS exams that they offer, and you can find some of these questions all over the place online. If we did the math here, we're looking at 126,000 multiply that by $9.99, and we're looking, whoops, let's do that over again. So we're doing 126,000, and we multiply that by $9.99, and we're looking at over $1.2 million, which is probably closer to $600,000 or $700,000, simply creating these exams, and you don't have to show your face. You don't have to make any videos. You put together 6, 7, 8 exams, and you have the opportunity to make money. Another way that you can make $200 per day is being in social media management. Now, basically what this is you are going to work with companies in your local area across the world that want to grow their presence on social media. Now, the cool thing with this is you can be a social media manager for multiple clients. So you can work with a landscape business in Franklin, Wisconsin. Then you can work with a construction business out in Bangladesh, and combined you can make $200 per day. Now, what you can do is you can actually automate this process with a website like Social Pilot like that. And then you can actually just set all of this up and have it all automated so that you're not actually spending all day and all night creating content. You just simply automate the process, set it up maybe once a month or every few weeks, and you can make money that way. And the final one that I want to show you is actually low competition gigs over on Fiverr. Now, I found this to be really interesting. You can make money being a gaming partner. There are 32 services available, and you will get paid being a gaming partner. You'll get paid to play video games. So people out there that want to make money online playing video games, you can start here on Fiverr and you can make money doing that. But there are tons of these low competition, low effort gigs that you can do over on Fiverr. I did a video maybe last week or the week before that highlights all of them, but you can make $500 per day simply gaming. So just to recap real quick, number 1, we've got YouTube. Number 2, we have blogging. Number 3, we have being a WordPress developer. Number 4 is creating practice exams over on Udemy. Then we have creating digital products over on Etsy, social media manager, and then low competition gigs on Fiverr. Now that you know the different ways that you can make $500 per day, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my free unemployee handbook. That handbook will teach you how to make money online step by step. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.